Hi folks, today we're gonna sharpen the chainsaw. Our next project is to cut a big tree, so we need to prepare the chainsaw for it. We have Stihl MS291 brand, and we got the sharpener like this one. It looks like this, so it has to match up the number on the sharpener has to match up with the number on the chainsaw. Our number is 0.325, and you can see that there should be the same number on your saw. It's right here, 0.325. If this is the one, then it looks like this. And see, it's got two directions, so you'll be able to sharpen all the tooth, but in different directions. So when you start to line up this thing, you first see there's an arrow on top, and it tells you which direction you need to move the sharpener, either toward you or from you. So you start either way, it doesn't matter, but you see the tooth on the saw are going one after the other in different directions. So you start sharpening every other tooth, and then you come back and start sharpening other tooth that you skipped in the different direction. So you first start with marking a tooth that you're gonna start with, so that when you are back full round, you know what you've done, and continue the different direction. So you're gonna align the tooth you mark so that the cup on the plastic thing on the sharpener is parallel to the blade on your saw, like this. So you align a tooth to the sharpener, and you start moving in the direction of the arrow. So now we've done the full circle, we're back to the marked tooth. Now we're gonna flip the sharpener like this and go the other direction with the tooth we skipped. And see, this cup is again parallel to the blade, but the direction of the arrow shows from you, not toward you. And don't overdo the sharpening, just do 3 times each tooth. Like if you overdo it, you'll do too much. Again, we're back with a full circle, so all the tooths are sharpened. We really like this sharpener because it has double blades, so it kind of goes deep into the tooth and sharpens the whole length of it. Like the one blade goes deep inside, and then the other one is sharpening the top of it. You can replace the blades. This thing opens up, and then you can replace just the blade and don't buy the whole thing again. Thank you for watching. The next step would be to fill the tank with the fuel, and we'll start cutting a tree. We'll be back with a new video soon. Stay tuned.